Today I'm going to show you how to install a theme in Chrome in just a few quick steps. If you want to change the look of your browser and give it a fresh new style, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. Chrome themes can make your browser feel more personal, cleaner, and a lot more fun to use every day. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access settings and other browser features. Now, hover over Extensions in the menu. When you do that, a submenu will appear, and from there, you'll want to click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official Chrome Web Store, where you can find themes, extensions, and other browser add-ons. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, look for the Themes section and click on it. This will show you a wide range of browser themes you can browse through. Take your time here and choose a theme that matches your style. You might want something colorful, dark, minimal, nature-inspired, or something that just feels more comfortable to look at while you browse. When you find a theme you like, click on it to open the Theme Details page. On that page, you'll see information about the theme, along with a button that says Add to Chrome. Click Add to Chrome to install it. Chrome will then apply the theme instantly, and you'll immediately see the browser appearance change. That's it. Your Chrome theme is now installed and active. If you ever want to switch things up again later, you can come back to the Chrome Web Store and install a different theme anytime you want. It's a quick and easy way to customize your browsing experience without needing any technical skills at all. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.